August 30th, 2020. Just do a little quick update here. The fig tree that my friend Bob gave me is rocking. The lemon tree is doing good. Got some lemons starting to ripen on there. And look at the size of that lemon. That's like, it's bigger than an orange actually. It's almost like a small grapefruit. Turmeric is still cranking, rocking, continuing to flower. And I wanted to show you the Japanese knotweed as the pollinators are coming in. So here we are at the Japanese knotweed. I had a recent comment on one of my videos asking me to take the Japanese knotweed seriously and not be joking about it from an invasive species perspective. And then we sort of had a conversation back and forth about it in the comments. We have different perspectives on it, but I think we have the same goal. We both want to preserve ecology and maintain healthy ecosystems. My perspective is this is here now, and it's part of the ecosystem now, and adding something else to the ecosystem to try to eradicate it, I don't think is a good idea, because we haven't historically had good success with adding things to ecosystems in an attempt to remove something else that we added and messed up an ecosystem with. For a real simple example, I don't remember what island it was, but I think it was rabbits or something like that they introduced, and then the rabbits overran the island, and then they introduced snakes to take the rabbits out, and now the snakes overran the island, you know, and so on and so on. And so that's why I'm not a fan of introducing additional non-native species as a means of managing what we call an invasive species. That's part of it. And the other part of it is that, at least in the case of Japanese knotweed, what I'm seeing is that we have both the non-native pollinators, like our wonderful honeybee, Apis mellifera, and then we have all sorts of the wild and native pollinators in here as well. And you can see them here. We got bumblebees. We got these little fly-like things. We got wasps. And this is early in the flowering cycle of this plant. As these flowers open up more, this bush will literally buzz. You'll be able to hear this from about 100 to 150 feet away, buzzing. It sounds like a ticked off beehive when it really opens up. Well, not ticked off, it actually is much more calm than that and peaceful, but it is loaded with pollinators. So it provides a role in the ecosystem, and additionally, the early shoots of this plant can be steamed and eaten, and the root of this plant is very high in resveratrol, and that's been used to help people manage all sorts of chronic illnesses, especially Lyme disease. Oh, and here's another interesting pollinator. Ah, he flew off on me. That one looks like a yellow jacket, but I think that's actually what Frederick Dunn calls, or was calling in one of his videos, a bee fly. Anyway, I just wanted to extend this conversation a little bit and share my perspective a little further, and share the Japanese knotweed, absolutely loaded with pollinators of all types. And I'll continue to monitor this and share more video as we go. You'll see this just turns into a buzzing frenzy, and it's beautiful and awesome. Alright, that's enough about Japanese knotweed.